How's the battery doing on the camera? Still only half. I'll let you cross, sir. This isn't GTA 5. I don't need to run you down. I don't even think. Oh, come on. I should have ran him down. Would have gotten bonus points. Hi, bicycle. Am I going to get beaten by the bicyclist? I don't know what I'm trying to say. And he's on the road with me. I don't want to run him down. I wanted to give him a wide... I almost said a wide girth, but I meant to say a wide berth. At least I'm fairly certain that's the correct term. Because a wide girth, that just sounds a little weird. Can I turn right here, or am I literally... Okay, yeah. Because that's obviously closed. I mean, it even has a crane. That's like a whole new level of closed. You know, you can have the signs that say road closed, but if there's a giant crane, it is super closed, super duper closed. Oh, for crying out loud. Oh, thanks. I mean, I got here first, but you go right ahead. Can I go now? I'm not really following my GPS. I'm just kind of cruising around, confusing the hell out of it. I've still got to find a way to promote the channel whilst I'm driving around. I feel like I really think it would be fun to copy Walterific with his spam cards. That's what he calls them. I don't know what I would call them, because I don't want to be a direct copy of him, or it could just be a trend, a thing that YouTubers do. But like, I'm trying to, that would be cool, but I'm just trying to think realistically how I would make that work. How would I give it out to people? Would it be when I'm out of the car, when I'm in the car? Because I have to be able to do it safely. Because I can't reach out of the window whilst I'm driving and give it to other cars whilst I'm moving. That's madness. And I'm saying that in a show called Motor Madness. Snap, crackle, pop. I think that's one of my favorite things about the WRX as a first car, is that the stock tune allows you to back voice command. I'm not trying to do voice commands. You lie. You malfunctioning piece of crap. I swear. Voice command systems are one of the last technologies I'll ever use. Because we've all seen the YouTube videos, what is it? Call Mark. Or something. It's like, please repeat that. Call this person. Do this. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Do this, do that. Now Googling this. I'm like, what? I didn't want you to Google anything. I wanted you to play this song or something completely unrelated to what the system ends up doing. Or my favorite, and these are top gear ones, play the police. Calling the police. No. Or, I don't know, doing something like musical, but I didn't have to stop there. I'm so used to stop signs. Doing something and then it going, opening bank account. No. Stop. Transferring funds. No. Initiating Skynet protocol. No. Wait, what? Initiating Skynet protocols. That would be such a good troll, though. Initiating Skynet protocols for a voice command system. Like, make it seem like it's being buggy and like rebellious. That'd be funny. Let's go right. We're making last minute decisions on the road. That's definitely not dangerous. No right turn on red. Not today, folks. Not today. Are we gonna get a red? My phone's also on low battery mode, so I need to take care of that soon. Otherwise, we're gonna lose audio quality because the microphone is attached to the phone. By the way, I'm using a Rode clip-on lavalier microphone. It's called the Smart Lav, and it's one of the best purchases I've ever made, because when it comes to making good video, I am so meticulous when it comes to sound that sometimes I get a little too meticulous and I kind of ruin the audio quality because I have ADD, so that sometimes messes with things. But when it comes to audio quality, that is super important to me. And so I got 2 SmartLav microphones for interviews or anything like that, and especially for something like this, where I'm driving around so that you can hear my voice over any car noise. Here we go! But yeah, I've got the equipment to make decent quality videos now. So that's why I'm super excited about this new series. This could actually be a really good series, because the last series was kind of it was an experiment, but it wasn't very good. Audio wasn't good, commentary wasn't all that good, but this time we've got good audio, good video with a GoPro. I have energy, I'm excited. I am doing this YouTube thing with a newfound source of vigor and energy and determination, and we're gonna actually make something out of this channel. Like, we're even gonna make this channel eligible for monetization, which really isn't that hard to do. You only need, what, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time or something within a past 12-month span. So, not that hard to achieve, as long as you are making videos and your channel is steadily growing, even if it's slowly. It'll get there eventually, as long as your channel is continuously growing. Is that a cop? No, that's not a cop. You are a pretender. You pretend. You pretend to be an authority figure. But you are a fool, a fake, a liar, a facade. Well, now you guys get to see me pull into my garage. Let's try not to hit this woman. Again, this isn't GTA. You don't get points for mowing people down. I don't even know if you get points for mowing people down in GTA. It sounds more like a Saints Row thing, to be honest. Because there's a mission in Saints Row where you can even gain experience for, what is it, doing insurance fraud. Hey, the button worked on the first try. That's unusual. Can't see a thing. Sweet. Let's turn down the window so that you guys can hear. It's fun to rev down here. Poor satellite reception. That really doesn't surprise me all that much. All right, well, guys, I hope you enjoyed these last few episodes of Motor Madness. If you want to tell me about that, please give me a comment and a like, confessing how much you like these videos. And if you like them so much that you want to see more and want to be notified when I come out with more videos, hit that subscribe button and ding the bell so you can be dinged about when these videos come out, along with all of my other videos. I do gaming videos and other things, vlogs, stuff, live streams, all sorts of things. I'm sure I can please you somehow. So yeah, join the army, become a patient in my asylum, and let's have some fun. I am Tom, the Racing Joker, signing out of YouTube. Until next time, very soon. Stay crazy, everybody.